A very good morning, my dear students. How are you, children? I hope you all are fit and fine at your place. Myself, Ritu Chandrol, your English teacher, I welcome you all to this online session of teaching. Children, today we are going to start a new chapter that is from your English grammar textbook. That is lesson number 4, one and more than one. Dear children, in the previous class you had learnt about what is noun. So, my dear children, let us first know about what is noun. A noun can mean one or more than one. My dear children, a noun can mean one or more than one person, animal, place, things. It means that a noun can refer to one or more than one person, animals, place or things. As you can see in the picture, person, animal, place or thing. A noun is a part of speech that name a person, animal, place or thing. In English, this noun may be followed by a singular or a plural. Singular noun names one person or thing. As you can see in the picture, in singular noun, you can see only one girl is there. It means that singular noun name one person, place or thing. Plural noun names more than one person. More than one person, place or thing. In plural noun, you can see children, two boys are there. It means that it is more than one person is there. And in singular noun, you can see only one girl is there. So, one person is there. In singular noun, it means that names of one person, place or thing, and in plural noun, more than one person, place or thing. Singular noun. A noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. It means that in this picture you can see children, only one person is there, one animal is there, one place is there, one thing is there. It means that a noun that names one person, animal, place or thing is called a singular noun. Singular noun, when we are talking about one person, animal, place or thing, we use singular form. From this we can understood, my dear children, when we all are talking about only one person, only one animal or only about one place or only about one thing, we will use a singular form. Let's see some examples. In this picture, you can see, my dear children, only one pencil is there. So, it is used as spelling pencil, pencil, because only one pencil is there. So, we pencil, pencil. The spelling of pencil is pencil, pencil, because only one pencil is given here. Look at the next picture, children. How many book are there here? Only one book. So the spelling of book is BOOK, book, because only one book is there. So it is written as a book. These are the examples of singular noun. So from this you can understand, dear children, that a noun that name one person, animal, place or thing is called as a singular noun. About plural nouns. Plural nouns name more than one person, place or thing. From this you can understand, dear children, that the plural noun, it means that more than one person should be there, more than one place is there, more than one thing is there. As you can see in the picture, that there are two shoes. So it is written SHOES, shoes. As you can see in the picture, that there are many pencils are there. So the spelling of pencil is PENCILS, pencils. In the third picture you can see, children, there are many bees are there. So the spelling of bees is BEES, bees. You can see, children, there are many flowers are there. So the spelling of flowers are FLOWERS, flowers. Here you can see, children, there are two cows. So the spelling of cow is COWS, cows. So from this example you can understand, children, plural nouns name more than one person, place or thing. A noun that names more than one person, animal, place or thing is called plural noun. Let us see some more examples of plural form. Look at the first picture, children. In the first picture you can see there are three boys. 1, 2, 3. Because of that, the spelling of boys is BOYS. What is it written, children? BOYS. S is also given because there are three boys. Look at the second picture, children. 1 cat, 2 cat, 3 cat. Because of that, the spelling of cat is CATS, cats. What is it written, children? CATS, cats. Look at the third picture, children. There are two houses. So the spelling of houses is HOUSES, houses, because there are two houses. Look at the fourth picture, children. There are two flowers. 1, 2, two flowers. So the spelling of flowers is Flowers. Flowers. Let's see some more example, my dear children. Look at the picture. 1 pencil, 2 pencil, 3 pencil. So the spelling of pencil is Pencils. The spelling of pencil is Pencils. Pencils. Look at the second picture. There are 2 books. So the spelling of book is Books. Books. What is it written, children? Books. Books. My dear children, let us see some more examples of singular form and plural form. In the first picture you can see, my dear children, clearly you can see there is only one bird is there. So what is the spelling of bird? Bird. Bird. Here you can see, my dear children, you can count with me, along with me. 1 bird, 2 bird, 3 bird. So what is the spelling of bird? It is written Birds. Because of 3 bird is there, so the spelling of bird is Birds. So in the plural form you can see, if there is in the plural form it is written like that, Birds. But in the singular form it is written like that, Bird. Bird. Children, you can see some more example. 1 apple is given here. So the spelling of apple is Apple. Apple. But here 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 apple is given here. So the spelling of apple is Apples. Apples. So look at the third picture, children. Only 1 cat is given here. So the spelling of cat is CAT. Cat. Here 2 cat is given. So the spelling of cat is CATS. Cats. Look at the fourth picture, children. Here 1 boat is there. Only 1 boat is there. So the spelling of boat is BOAT. Boat. But here 1, 2, 3 boat is given here. So in the plural form, what we will write, children? BOATS. Boats. By this you can understand, my dear children, as you know, noun can be singular or plural. But singular means 1, as you can see in the first picture, and plural means more than 1. Now tell me, how many bags are there? How many bags are there? Look at the picture, children. Only 1 bag is there. So only 1 bag is there. Again, look at the second picture, children. How many cars are there? How many cars are there? 1, 2, 3. So there are many cars. Many cars are there. By this explanation, you can understand, my dear children, singular means only 1. So singular means only 1. And plural means more than 1. Plural means more than 1. Children, now we will study rules for changing the nouns from singular to plural. 1. More than 1 adding S. Dear children, as you know, we are studying lesson number 4, 1 and more than one. First we will learn about adding s. By adding s, we can turn 1 into more than 1 by adding s. My dear children, look at the first picture carefully. In the first picture, only one egg is there. In the first picture, only one egg is there. So, the spelling of egg is E-double-G, egg. Here, you can see children, 3 egg is there. 3 egg is there. So, the spelling of egg is E-double-G-S, eggs. Look at the second picture children. Here only one book is there. So the spelling of book is B-O-O-K, book. Here 5 book is there. So the spelling of book is B-O-O-K-S, books. Look at the third picture children. Here only one star is there. So the spelling of star is S-T-A-R, star. Here many stars are there. Many stars are there. So the spelling of star is S-T-A-R-S, stars. Children, here you can see only one cup is there. So the spelling of cup is C-U-P, cup. Here 2 cup is there. So the spelling of cup is C-U-P-S, cups. Here you can see, my dear children, only one apple is there. So the spelling of apple is A-P-P-L-E, apple. Here 4 apple is there. So what will be the spelling children? A-P-P-L-E-S, apples. So my dear children, from this you can understood we can turn 1 into more than 1 by adding s. By adding s. So let us see some more example, dear children. In singular form, you can see only one egg is there. So what will be the spelling, my dear children? Any guessing? Yes. The spelling will be E-double-G, egg. In the plural form, you can see, my dear children, there is 2 egg is there. 2 egg is there. So what we will write in plural form? E-double-G-S, eggs. E-double-G-S, eggs. Let's see the next example, children. In the first picture, you can see in singular form, only one hen is given. So what we will write, children? The spelling of hen is H-E-N, hen. But you can see in the plural form, there is 2 hen is given. So what we will write, children? H-E-N-S, hens. Yes, you all love to eat apple, my dear children? Yes. So look at the picture. How many apple is there in the first picture? Only one apple. So dear children, if it is one apple, then what we will write the spelling? A-P-P-L-E, apple. So look at the second picture, children. Count it. How many apple is there? 1, 2, 3, 4. Here 4 apple is there. So what we will write the plural form of apple? A-P-P-L-E-S, apples. Look at this picture, children. This is a school. In this picture, you can see only one school is there. So the spelling of school is S-C-H-O-O-L, school. In the second picture, you can see, my dear children, there are 3 schools are there. So what we will call children? These are schools. What is the spelling of schools? SCHOOLS. Schools. My dear children, how many ice creams are there? Only one ice cream. How many ice creams are there here? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the singular form of one ice cream, what we will write? ICECREAM. Ice cream. And what is the plural form of ice cream? ICECREAMS. Ice creams. Thank you, my dear children.